You are on a train, a quiet, slow train. It moves softly through the night. You are sitting by the window. The seat is soft. It holds you gently. Your back sinks into it. Your shoulders drop. You feel warm. You feel safe. Outside the window, the world is dark. But it is a soft dark, a calm dark, like the sky is resting too. Stars are there, small, quiet stars. They blink slowly. They do not rush. They just glow, soft and still. The train moves on. It does not shake. It just glides, smooth and slow, like it is floating on the rails. You can hear it, a low, steady sound. Clack, 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 over and over, soft and even, like a heartbeat, a slow, calm heartbeat. Your eyes are heavy now. Let them be heavy. That is okay. That is good. You do not need to look at anything. You can just feel. Feel the seat beneath you. Feel the warmth around you. The train carries you. You do not need to go anywhere. You are already here. Right here. In this soft, quiet place. Your hands rest in your lap. They are still. They are relaxed. Your fingers are loose, not holding anything, just resting, just being. Breathe in slowly. Feel your chest rise. Hold it for a moment. Now breathe out. Let it all go. Every thought, every worry, everything from today, just let it drift away, like smoke in the night air. Gone now, all gone. The train passes through a small valley. You can see it through the glass. Dark hills on both sides, tall and quiet, like sleeping giants. They stand in the dark, still and peaceful. The moon is out. It is a soft moon, not too bright, just enough light, just enough to see the shapes of things. Trees along the track, they pass by slowly, one by one, dark and gentle. Their branches reach up to the sky, like arms stretching in sleep. You feel that stretch too. A soft, slow stretch inside your body. Every muscle is letting go now. Your legs feel heavy. Your feet are warm. Your ankles are soft. Your calves are relaxed. All the way up. Your knees, your thighs, everything is resting. Everything is letting go. The train hums beneath you. That steady, gentle hum. It goes through the seat, through your back, through your whole body, like a soft song, a lullaby without words, just sound, just rhythm, just peace. There is no one rushing. There is no noise, no loud voices, no bright lights. Just this train, just this night, just you, safe in your seat, moving through the dark, slowly, softly. The window is cool against the dark outside, but inside it is warm. There is a soft light in the train, very low, very gentle, It touches everything softly. The seats, the walls, your hands, your face. It is a kind light. It asks nothing of you. It just rests on you. Gently, you breathe again, in and out, slow and easy. Your chest rises and falls, rises and falls, like the quiet waves of a still sea. No effort, just breath, just calm. The train passes a small town. You see it through the window. A few soft lights, houses in the dark, windows glowing yellow, people inside, sleeping now, or almost sleeping, just like you. The town passes slowly, and then it is gone. Dark hills again, stars again, that steady sound again. Clack, clack, clack. Your breathing slows even more. You do not try to slow it. It just happens. Your body knows. Your body is wise. It knows how to rest. Let it do that now. Let it lead you into stillness, into quiet. The train moves on through the dark and peaceful night. It knows the way. You do not need to guide it. You do not need to think. You just sit. You just breathe. You just drift. Slowly, gently, like a leaf on still water. Just floating. Just resting. Just going where the current takes you. Your eyes close a little more now. That is fine. That is perfect. The dark behind your eyes is soft. It is warm. It is quiet. It is yours. The train carries you through the endless, peaceful night. Forward, softly, slowly, into rest. The train moves on, still slow, still gentle. You are still in your seat, still warm, still safe. The night outside has deepened. The stars are brighter now, more of them, filling the sky, like tiny lights scattered by a quiet hand. You look at them, not with effort, just with soft, tired eyes. They glow. They do not ask anything of you. They just shine. Far away, calm and still. Your body is heavier now. A good heavy. A restful heavy. Like you are sinking, slowly sinking, into something warm and soft. The seat holds you. The train holds you. The night holds you. You are held completely. There is nothing to do, nothing to fix, nothing to remember. Just this, just now, just the train and the night, the sound beneath you, clack, 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 still going, still steady. It has not changed. It never rushes. It never stops. It just carries you through the dark, through the quiet. The train enters a long, wide plain. You can see it now through the window, flat and open, dark land all around, and above it, the sky, huge and full of stars. more than you can count. You do not try to count them. You just look and feel small in a good way, in a peaceful way, like the world is very large and your worries are very small. They are far away now, left behind at some station you cannot remember. Gone, all gone. Just the plane, just the stars, just the train. A soft wind moves over the land outside. You cannot feel it, but you can see the grass move. Long, dark grass, bending slowly, back and forth. A gentle wave, a slow dance. You feel that same softness inside you. A slow wave of calm, moving through your chest, through your stomach, through your whole body, like a tide coming in, warm and easy. Your jaw is soft now. Your mouth is just a little open. You are not holding your face tight. You are not frowning. Everything is loose. Everything is still. Your breathing continues. In, out, in, out. No effort, just air, just life, just rest. The train passes a quiet river. You see it for a moment. Dark water, moving slowly, catching starlight. Little sparks on the surface. Then it is gone, past the window, behind you. But the feeling stays. That feeling of slow, quiet movement. Like the river, like the train, like your breath. All moving together, all at the same pace. Slow, easy, peaceful. There is a blanket near you. You pull it a little closer. It is soft, light but warm. It rests on you like a gentle hand, like a kind touch. You feel it on your arms, on your legs, warm and still. You close your eyes all the way now, just for a moment. And in that darkness, you see it. A soft light, far ahead. Not bright, just a glow. Warm and golden, like a fire seen from far away. It does not scare you. It calls to you, gently, quietly. You move toward it, on the train, through the dark, toward that warm glow. You do not know what it is. It does not matter. You trust it. It is safe. Your body sinks deeper into the seat. Your head tilts a little, resting. Your neck is soft. Your shoulders are down, far down, like they have let go of something heavy. And they have let go. Everything has let go. Your hands are open, palms up, soft, empty, ready to receive rest. And rest is coming. It is already here, moving through you, like warm water, like the sound of the train, like the stars above the plain, filling you, softly, completely. The train slows just a little, or maybe it does not. Maybe it is just you, slowing, settling, becoming still. The night is so quiet out there. No cars, no voices, no sounds of the day, just the wind, just the train, just the stars, and you, resting, drifting, deeper and deeper, into the soft, warm dark, into sleep. The train moves through a forest now. You did not see when the plane ended. You did not see when the trees began. It does not matter. You are here now, in the forest, on the train, moving slowly through tall, dark trees. They are very tall. Their tops reach the sky. You cannot see where they end. They stand on both sides of the track, close but not too close, like quiet guards, watching over you, keeping you safe. The stars are gone now, covered by the branches above, but it does not feel dark. It feels sheltered, like a roof made of leaves, a gentle roof, a natural roof, keeping the world out, keeping you in, safe in here, warm in here. The forest smells like earth and leaves. You cannot smell it exactly, but you feel it. That cool, clean feeling, that deep, green quiet. It enters you with every breath. In, cool and clean. Out, slow and soft. Your lungs feel open. Your chest feels wide. Your whole body feels easy. A small light appears outside, low near the ground. Like a firefly, it floats slowly. Then another, then more, soft little lights, moving between the trees. They do not rush. They drift, slowly, like slow-moving stars, close to the earth. They pulse gently, on and off, like a slow heartbeat. You watch them, not with effort. Your eyes are almost closed now, but you still see them. Soft light, soft dark, soft light, soft dark. It feels like your own breathing, in, out, in, out. The fireflies drift away behind the trees, and the forest deepens, gets quieter, gets darker, but always safe, always still. Your mind has grown very quiet now. Thoughts come sometimes, small ones, like leaves falling. You do not catch them. You do not follow them. You just watch them fall and drift away. They have no weight. They have no meaning now. They are just passing, just moving through, like everything else in this soft, dark night. The train makes a long, gentle curve. You feel it, a slow turn. Your body leans just a little, then settles. The curve passes. The track straightens again, and the forest opens, just slightly. A small clearing to the right, dark grass, a still pond. The water is perfect, no ripples, just a mirror reflecting the sky above, or maybe its own quiet light. You look at it for a moment, a perfect stillness, nothing moving, nothing disturbing, just that dark, calm water, holding everything in its reflection, holding the dark, holding the light, holding the silence. You feel that pond inside you, that stillness, that perfect quiet. It is in your chest now, in your stomach, in your hands, in your mind. Everything is still, like the water, like the night, like the sleeping forest. The clearing passes, the trees return, close and tall, and you go deeper, deeper into the forest, deeper into the night, deeper into sleep. Your body does not exist the same way now. You barely feel it. It is there, but it is so relaxed, so heavy, so still, like it has become part of the seat, part of the train, part of the night. You are not separate from any of this. You are part of it, moving through the dark, slowly, quietly, belonging here, safe here, at home here. The train hums, always that sound, that low, steady hum. It is like a voice now, saying nothing, saying everything, saying rest, saying you are safe, saying let go. And you do. You let go of the day, of the week, of everything before this moment. All of it gone now, left far behind on the tracks. You carry nothing. You hold nothing. You are just here, light and still, drifting in the dark, in the soft, safe dark. The trees begin to thin, very slowly. At the edges, you can feel the forest starting to open. Something new is coming, something calm, something beautiful. But there is no rush. The train does not speed up. It stays slow. It stays steady. It carries you gently toward whatever comes next. You do not need to prepare. You do not need to think. You just breathe. In, out, and let the train carry you deeper, softer, into the most peaceful place of all. The forest is behind you now. You are out in the open. The sky is above you again, wide and dark and full of stars, but different stars now, softer, closer, like they have come down to meet you. The train moves through open land, flat and wide and peaceful. The air feels different here, cool and still, like the very edge of sleep, where everything becomes quiet, where everything becomes soft. You are almost there. You can feel it, that deep, deep rest. It is right ahead, right here, already inside you. Your eyes are fully closed now. You do not need to see. You do not need to look. Everything you need is already with you. The warmth, the safety, the stillness, all here, all yours. The train slows just a little more, not stopping, just settling into a slower rhythm. Clack, each sound more quiet than the last, each one further away, like it is moving into a distance, a soft distance, a dreaming distance. Your mind follows, letting go of the last edges of the day, the last edges of thinking, the last edges of being awake. They slip away now, gently, one by one, like candles going out. One, then another, until only soft darkness remains. And in that darkness, you feel held, completely held, like the night itself has arms, and they are around you, warm and quiet, asking nothing, just holding, just keeping you safe. A small breeze touches the land outside. You feel it somehow, through the window, through the glass, through everything. A breath of cool, clean air, moving across the land, moving through you, carrying away the last small thing you were holding. It is gone now, gone with the breeze, gone into the dark. You are empty, in the best way, in the restful way, like a cup set down at last, not needed now, just resting, just being. The stars above are very still. They are not blinking now. They are just there, quiet points of light, far away and forever. They have seen everything. They have seen all the nights, all the sleeping and all the dreaming. And tonight they see you, resting on the train, moving through the dark, and they are glad. They shine a little softer, just for you. The train moves on, but you are almost not on the train anymore. You are somewhere between the train and the dream, between the night and sleep, floating, drifting, like that leaf from before, on still water, going nowhere, going everywhere, going into rest. Your breath is very slow now, so slow. In, out, in, out. Each breath is a doorway. Each out-breath takes you deeper, through the door, into the softest place, the place where dreams live, where the night is warm, where the world is gentle, where everything is exactly right. You step through now, softly, without any effort, just stepping, just going, just resting. The train is far away now, just a sound, faint and far, clack, clack, fading, fading. You do not need it anymore. You are already where you were going, here in the deep, soft dark, in the place of sleep, in the place of dreams. Everything around you is quiet. Everything inside you is still. Your body rests, heavy and warm. Your mind rests, empty and calm. Your breath rests, slow and easy. You are asleep now, or almost. does not matter which. There is no difference here. In this place, everything is the same. Everything is rest. Everything is peace. Everything is soft. The night holds you. The dark holds you. Sleep holds you. Let it hold you all the way through the rest of this night, through the quiet hours, through the soft dark, until morning comes, far away, not yet, not for a long time. For now, just this, just rest, just sleep, just peace. The train is gone. The night is everything, and you are in it, resting, sleeping, dreaming, safe, warm, still. Sleep now. Sleep, sweet dreams. The train has carried you all the way home into deep, peaceful sleep.